Good afternoon all. Last day we have studied about moments. We have studied about moments from arithmetic mean and from moments from an arbitrary number capital A. First expression for the moments we have sigma x raised to r by n, and for moments from arithmetic mean we have sigma x minus x bar the all raised to r by n, and from an average capital A sigma x minus capital A all raised to r by n. And we have done various problems using these formulas. Today we have moments for a group data we have to study. Moments for group data. If the numbers x1, x2, etc. xk occurs, f1, f2, etc. fk times respectively, that is occur with frequencies f1, f2, etc. fk, the above moments are given by x raised to r bar, which is equal to f1 x1 raised to r plus f2 x2 raised to r plus etc. fk xk raised to r, all divided by n, which is equal to sigma j equal to 1 to k fj xj raised to r by n, which is equal to sigma, we can write sigma f x raised to r by n. So mr is equal to sigma j equal to 1 to n. Now the moments from the arithmetic mean x bar, which is equal to sigma j equal to 1 to k fj xj minus x bar all raised to r by n, which is we can write sigma f into x minus x bar all raised to n. Now mr dash from an arbitrary capital A, moments from an arbitrary capital A, which is equal to sigma j equal to 1 to k fj into xj minus a all power r by n, which is equal to sigma f into x minus a all raised to r by n, where n is equal to sigma j equal to 1 to k fj is the total frequency. Now the relations between moments. The following relation exists between moments about the mean mr and the moments about the arbitrary origin mr dash, which is equal to m2 equal to m2 dash minus m1 dash square. Moments m3 equal to m3 dash minus 3 m1 dash m2 dash plus 2 m1 dash all cube. m4 is equal to m4 dash minus 4 m1 dash m3 dash plus 6 m1 dash square m2 dash minus 3 m1 dash raised to 4. Now computation of moments for group data. The coding method for computing mean and standard deviation can also be used to provide a short method for computing moments. If uj is equal to xj minus a by c, നമ്മൾ coding method standard deviation ചെയ്ത അത് തന്നെ, same uj is equal to xj minus a by c, then we can mr dash is equal to sigma j equal to 1 to k fj into x minus a raised to r by n. That's we have seen this formula, which is equal to sigma j equal to 1 to k fj c uj all raised to r by n, which is equal to c raised to r, that and sigma j equal to 1 to k fj uj raised to r by n, which is equal to c raised to r into sigma f u raised to r by n, which can be used to find, we can use to find mr. Now we have some examples, solved examples. First, find the 4 moments about the mean for the following distribution. Height in inches: 60, 62, frequency is 5, 63, 65, frequency is 18, 66, 68, frequency 42, 69, 71, frequency 27, 72, 74, frequency 8. So solution is, we can write the x 61, 64, 67, 70, 73. F is equal to 5, 18, 42, 27, 8. Total frequency is 100. We can take the middle term 67 as a. So u is equal to x minus a by c. So middle value is 0. On top minus 1, minus 2. Below of 0, 1, 2. So fu is equal to minus 20, minus 18, 0, 27, 16. So total equal to 15. Now fu square, if we can multiply fu with u, so this is 20, 18, 0, 27, 32, and fu square is equal to 97. Now we can find fu cube, so we can multiply fu square with u. So 20 into minus 20 minus 40, 18 into minus 7 minus minus 1 minus 18, 0, 27 into 1 27, 32 into 2 64. Now we have to find f u raised to 4. F u raised to 4 is equal to 80 minus 40 into minus 2, 80 minus 80 into minus 1, 18, 0, 27 into 1 27, 64 into 2 128, and total is 253. So m1 dash equal to c sigma f u by n, which is equal to 3 into 15 by 100, which is equal to 0.45, c square f u square by n, which is equal to 8.73. We have c equal to 3, 3 square is 9, f u square is 97, and total capital N is equal to 100. So we can get the answer as 8.73. m3 dash is equal to c cube sigma f u cube by n. C cube is 27, sigma f u cube is 33 by 100, which is equal to 8.91, and m4 dash is equal to c raised to 4 sigma f u raised to 4 by n. C is 3, 3 raised to 4 is 81, 81 into f u raised to 4 is 253. You have to correct one term. 81 into 253 by 100. So the expression has almost same values. Thus m1 is equal to 0, m2 is equal to m2 dash minus, we have that formula, relation formula, m1 is equal to 0, m2 is equal to m2 dash minus m1 dash square, which is equal to 8.073 minus 0.45 square, so which is 8.5275. m3 equal to m3 dash minus 3 m1 dash m2 dash plus 2 m1 dash cube. So we have got m3 dash 8.91, 3 m1 dash 0.45, 3 into 0.45 into 8.73 plus 2 into 0.45 square cube, and m4 is equal to m4 dash minus 4 m1 dash m3 dash plus 6 m1 dash square m2 dash minus 3 m1 dash raised to 4. You have to learn this formula by heart to substitute in this expression, and which is equal to 204.93 minus 4 into 0.45 into 8.91 plus 6 into 0.45 square into 8.73 minus 3 into 0.45 raised to 4, which is equal to 204.93 minus 16.038 plus 10.607 minus 0.123, which is equal to 199.376. Now next you have a problem to be find out as an exercise. Find the first 4 moments about the mean for the following distribution. X is equal to 12, frequency is 1, x equal to 14, frequency is 4, x equal to 16, frequency is 6, x equal to 18, frequency 10, x equal to 20, frequency 7, x equal to 22, frequency 2. So first you have to find this x value. You have that x value. Now we have to take a as either 18 or 16 and find u. Now sigma this fu square, fu cube, fu raised to 4. So you have to find capital N. Then find m1 dash, m2 dash, same formulas you have to use, m2 dash, m3 dash, m4 dash, and use the formula here, m1, m2, m3, m4, and substitute in the m1 dash, m2 dash, m3 dash, m4 dash in the formula. You get m1, m2, m3, and m4.